tuition study, because in tuition there is a lot of disturbance by which we can't do study properly. But in self study we are alone and we study properly. But in tuition there is a lot of disturbance, and we can't ask a question properly because there are many children. So the teacher is not able to solve all children doubt. But in online we can search in Google, and we can get our answer quickly.
Start.
Well, in my opinion, tuition classes are better because in self-study, many children are ask their parents for phone, but by when they are studying, they watch mobile, and when they search on any platform, they get distracted by any advertisement, and they watch the reels and the cartoons.
Like self-study is better than the tuition classes, because in self-studies you can get your answer quickly, and there is a technique also, that is mobile phone. With the help of mobile phone you can easily find your answers. And in tuition classes there are many children, and we got busy in talking and busy in gossiping, and the teacher is not able to teach us that much. And if we are going to school, there we also we can ask to the class teachers or the subject teacher. They can tell us like the tuition teachers, and so that's why the self study is better.
According to me, tuition classes is better than self-study, because as you all know that if we need a good atmosphere of doing study, that we can find in tuition, because in tuition classes we can find the another student from the another school. And in tuition, as I said, that we are getting a good atmosphere of doing study. So that is the biggest boon we can say of it. And second thing is that, as you have given the point of using mobile phone, that's good. But as far as I have seen that some students do self study with the help of mobile phone. But after getting any notification, they just distract. But in tuition, we don't find any that kind of problem, because in tuition we are getting a teacher who is very friendly as compared to a school teacher. Sometimes in school students are hesitant to ask to their teachers, but in tuition this sir or ma'am is very we can say friendly, and without any hesitation we can ask about and we can clear our doubt. So that is why I think that tuition classes is much better than doing self-study.
In my opinion, self-study is more better than
Tuition
classes, because in tuition classes there are many students. Children, the teacher can't focus on
Every child.
in a single student. So the student was confused.
Students get confused.
Students get confused in home or in self-study. Children can solve their doubt by mobile phone and asking with the teacher in school.
In my opinion, tuition is better, as my friend has earlier said that through mobile children get distracted, and they watch reels when there is a notification. When you are sitting on a tuition classes, there is many students of your class and from different schools, through which you can learn new things, and new things that you can learn. And in many tuitions the teacher is able to teach many children in a single batch.
Opinion, self-study is better than tuition classes, because in self-study we do study with concentration, and when the holidays is ending in tuition,
If there is holiday.
when there is holiday in tuition, so we can do study in home, and it can increase our knowledge, and we can score good marks.
So in my opinion, I think self-study are better than
Self-study is better than.
self-study is better than tuition classes, because you will do self-study, so you have peaceful atmosphere, and you do study properly, and your concentration level is increase. According to me, self-study at first First, it has many benefits. Children, the teacher not noticing every student. In self-study, there is a peaceful atmosphere, and the student
Can learn.
the
Can learn by
student
themselves.
by
By themselves. By their own efforts.
by their own efforts.
Side of going tuition, so that is a new method. And we, as you all know, that every teacher has different method to solve any question. And similarly in tuition we are getting a teacher who will teach us in different method. And I'm not saying that in online we can't find it. Even in online we can find, but they will just show you we can say repeated question, and they will just show us solution. But if you are going to tuition, so in tuition you will find that how will we have to solve the question. And second point is that in tuition we can say teachers are so much experienced. That is why the students are joining the coaching and the tuition just for gaining experience, because some tuition teachers are so much experienced, and sometimes they can also help in our exams also by solving some sample papers and the many more. That is why I think tuition is my favorite.
Self-study is better than tuition classes because in self-study there are many benefits. In self-study we have a very peaceful environment, and in self-study we learn how to live alone, and in self-study we learn very fast. And but in tuition there is very lot of noise that